Katie. Here is Cigu.
This place is not only famous for its seafood, but also known for its black-faced spoonbills.
Cigu is rich in nature, and they took a lot of effort in it to preserve this beautiful place.
Today, you got a chance with me to have a tour of this place to find out what kind of treasure you can find in this beautiful place.
陈大哥你好。
你好，欢迎到这个国际级的湿地来。
Mr. Chen, could you give me a brief introduction about this beautiful place?
我们现在站的地方呢，以前都是所谓的海。
During 1823, Zhenwen River flooded and changed its courses several times, and the mass sediments contributed to many new lands. In 1989, the estuary of Zhenwen River was designated as industrial land. Thanks for the efforts of many bird conservation advocates, in 2002, around 300 hectares of the north shore of the estuary where black-faced spoonbills inhabited was designated as a black-faced spoonbill reserve. As the water stage of this wetland is adjusted by a water gate, the tidal range is relatively small. This makes the wetland a great habitat for migratory birds. In addition, the mangrove forest at the estuary is home to plants growing on the seabed as well as fishes, shrimps, and scallops. They attract a wide variety of birds and forms a complete food chain. Black-faced spoonbills come here not only for the diversified ecosystem, but also for the fish farming industry in Cigu. There are lots of milkfish farms in this place, and after the fishes are harvested in fall, the water inside will be drained, leaving in some tilapias, as well as other fishes, shrimps, and scallops. This is a very suitable environment for black-faced spoonbills to hunt for food. So, beside the black-faced spoonbills, are there any other species in here?
我们台江当然有三宝了。第一宝是黑面琵鹭，第二宝是环嘴鸻，第三宝是高跷鸻。
Black-faced spoonbills migrate to Taiwan as their wintering ground during October to next March. During the time when black-faced spoonbills are not here, that is, between May and August, the area is open for local residents with capture license. They can enter the conservation area to capture hard clams, red-tipped clams, and razor clams, as these clams are not the food of migratory birds. Capturing them with manpower not only helps loosen the soil, but also provides a source of financial support for residents. It's a win-win case. During their wintering stay in Taiwan, there will be dozens at the Bird Observatory platform to introduce black-faced spoonbills. Besides, you can also go to the Museum of Black-faced Spoonbills to know more about them.
Hello there, let me give you Mr. Tsai here, and he is the staff of the exhibition hall.
Could you give me a brief introduction about this place?
我们展馆里面有介绍黑面琵鹭的一些生态资讯，还有它什么时候来台湾，然后什么时间观赏它会最好。
There are lots of photos, models, as well as other information about black-faced spoonbills. You can get to know more about black-faced spoonbills within a short period of time.
进来这边之后呢，你会看到有一个黑面琵鹭的模型，这个地方是仿照它在南北韩的繁殖地。
During May to September, black-faced spoonbills will migrate to the Korean peninsula of Liaodong Peninsula to breed and feed their young. For safety reasons, black-faced spoonbills usually breed on cliffs. Black-faced spoonbills migrate southward in two routes, the land route and the sea route. The land route including a stay at China, then Taiwan, and finally Vietnam. The sea route starts from Korea, and some birds will stay in Japan. Then, they continue their migration to Taiwan.
这个是介绍黑面琵鹭它相关的品种。
The spoonbill genus consists of 6 species: Roseate spoonbill, African spoonbill, yellow-billed spoonbill, royal spoonbill, Eurasian spoonbill and black-faced spoonbill.
那每年大概都有10来只的白琵鹭会跟着黑面琵鹭到台湾来。
Here you can see the traits of black-faced spoonbills at different ages, their food, place where you can see them, and the number of black-faced spoonbills that have come to Taiwan this winter. There is detailed and complete information here.
Did you find a treasure here? Isn't that beautiful? Tell me that you are not going to miss this place.